Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Monday, February 9th. It is the 8th NTI day, and I'm going to get you started with our comprehension lesson for today. The story's called The Rhyme Game. Let's check out our questions. First, we have to answer, where does the story take place? On a sunny beach, outside, at the beach, or in the morning? Whose idea was it to play the rhyme game? What word did Bella rhyme with dog? And why did Bella keep laughing at James's rhymes? You can restate this question by saying Bella kept laughing at James's rhymes because. That helps you get started with your answer. And then it says, if you would like, try playing the rhyming game with a friend. After you're finished with that, you're going to answer some vocabulary questions. You're going to match the words grass, nodded, mouse, cow, laugh, and go with their definition. So here's your story, The Rhyme Game. Bella and James sat on the grass. Let's play the rhyme game, Bella said. First you say a word, then I'll say a word that rhymes. James nodded. Truck, he said. Duck, Bella rhymed. House, James said. Mouse, Bella rhymed. Dog, James said. Frog, Bella rhymed. Can I do the rhyming now, James asked. Yes, Bella said. Dress, James rhymed. Bella laughed. Wait, yes wasn't my word. Here it is now. Cow, James rhymed. No, Bella said, laughing harder. No, no, no. Go, James rhymed. Go, go, go. Bella laughed so hard she rolled on the grass. James rolled next to her. Rhyming was fun. All right, and then you're going to answer those 4 questions about the story and your 6 vocabulary. Then we're going to go back to MD3, telling time. On this clock, you're going to do time to the hour. Remember, when the long hand points to the 12, that means it's o'clock. So you're going to put a colon, that's 2 dots, and 0, 0. That means o'clock. And then you just have to look at the little hand. What is it pointing to? That will tell you the hour that goes over here. On the next page, you're going to do time to the half hour. This is a little bit trickier. It's actually mixed. There's a couple to the hour, I see, and there's looks like 4 of them go to the half hour. So remember, when the minute hand is on the 6, that means colon 30. That means it's half past the hour or something 30. Then you go back to the little hand or the hour hand and see what it's between. This one's between the 5 and the 6. So you have to think, do I go back to the 5 because I'm half past 5? Or do I go up to the 6 because I'm half past 6? Remember our rule. We always go back because you're only halfway past this hour. Okay, so this one actually would be 5:30. All right, that'll get you started with time. Then we're going to work on counting backwards. You don't have to cut these numbers out unless you have scissors and glue at home. You can go ahead and write them in. And if I were you, I would cross them out as you use them. That way you don't try to use them twice. So you're going to be counting backwards. Then we've got a little ELA buzz. That's English Language Arts. So this one you need to circle the vowel, add a period or a question mark to complete the sentence, and then write these words in the correct column under colors or animals. The 2 sentences on the bottom each have 2 mistakes. You need to rewrite the sentences correctly and fix the mistakes. And then the next lesson might be a little bit tricky. So we worked a little bit on plural nouns. We worked on adding S. So when a singular noun adds, when a singular noun and you want to make it plural, all you have to do is add S. For example, flower, you add S and make the word flowers. But there is a rule that if a noun ends with an X, a Z, an S, an SH, or a CH, then you can't just add S, you have to add ES, and it makes the ES sound. Like the word box, see there's an X. So we can't just add S, we have to add ES, so we say boxes. So don't forget that little rule right there. If it ends with an X, a Z, an S, an SH, or a CH, you need to add ES. Okay, and that's your last page for today. I am 99% positive I'm going to see you in class tomorrow. I thought I was going to see you today, but if you have any trouble, I'm here at school all day, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, bye.